It's not what? Alright. I mean, it's saying it's above here. Yeah. You can't see my face. Okay. I mean, it's saying, and
This is
we're gonna see what
Stupid Girl with Dog.
Shut up. Okay.
You're really hungry. Stupid Girl with Dog starts now.
Oh!
He took a piece of it.
Oh no!
And that is Stupid Girl with Dog.
This was a retake of the actual one. I went with push and it fell.
Lies.
And I thought it was still in my hand. Really? And I thought it was still in my hand. And so I looked at him, he's like, and so I'm about to eat it. And so I see that he starts spitting up some pumpkin stuff. Well, your hands are wrinkly. Did you hear him?
Okay, come on, stop the video.
And so
Goodbye.